Hi everyone, welcome to Amari Educates, where mathematics is made easy. In this video, we're going to study the laws of exponents, or rules of exponents. But before that, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for the support. Let's get started. Multiplication rule. The procedure is just simply add the exponent of the same variable. So what do I mean by that? The variables here are x and the operation is multiplication. So what we're going to do if we're multiplying, we just add the the exponents. So we have x to the fifth. Let's have another example. So I have here x and y, and we're multiplying. So on the x, I have to add 2 and 5. While on the y, I have to add 3 and 4. So our final answer for this one is x to the 7th, y to the 7th. Next, division rule. Just subtract the exponents of the same variable. So the variables are the same. Let's just subtract the exponents. So this will be x raised to 4 minus 2. So the answer is x squared. Let's have another one. So we're going to subtract the exponent for the x and the exponent for the y. Here's the technique that I did. Check which exponents is higher for x. If it is on the numerator, then you do the subtraction of the exponent at the numerator. On the y, the higher is at the denominator. The higher exponent is at the denominator. So I will just adopt the subtraction of the exponent at the denominator. The reason for this is to come up with a positive exponent. So our final answer will be x all over y to the fourth. Next rule. Power of a power rule. Just multiply the exponent. If the expression like this is raised to another power, all we need to do is to multiply these two. Let's see. So x is raised to 3 times 4. Final answer is x raised to 12. Same thing here, same idea. So we just multiply the exponents. So the answer is a raised to 35. Power of a product rule. It's almost the same with the previous one, but this one we have to distribute to each exponent here. So this one is x raised to 3 times 3 and y raised to 2 times 3. Our answer will be x to the 9th, y to the 6th. Let's have another one. Again, we multiply this here and here. So this is a raised to 4 times 2 and b raised to 3 times 2. So the answer will be a raised to 8, b raised to 6. Power of a fraction rule. Okay, the same idea. So x, this one will be multiplied to the exponent of x, and this one will be multiplied to the exponent of y, which is 2. Okay, so it will look like this. So x is raised to the 3rd power, and y is raised to 2 times 3. The final answer will be x raised to 3 all over y raised to 6. Next, so the same process. We distribute the 2 to that power here, or exponent here, and this one here. and do the multiplication process. So this is x raised to 2 times 2 and y is raised to 3 times 2. The final answer will be x to the 4th, y to the 6th over y to the 6th. Okay? Negative exponents rule. Just change the position of the variable with negative exponent from numerator to denominator or from denominator to numerator. X raised to negative 2. Remember, if an expression has no denominator, it means it is divided by 1. So what we're going to do is just to interchange them. So by putting the x raised to negative 2 at the denominator, and the sign will be changed. So it will look like this. Okay? Next. So 1 over y raised to negative 2. So this is a negative exponent. So all we need to do is to put it up. And it becomes y squared. And let's have the last one. So x here is negative, so we're going to put it down from numerator to denominator. And the y here is a negative exponent, so we're going to put it up. So it will look like this. The y will be up and the x will be down and z squared. Take note that this could only be used if there is an operation multiplication. If between them, you cannot use that process. If there is a plus or minus between them, you cannot use that process. Okay? Let us start with checking if you understood the lesson. Okay? Are you ready? Let's have the first one. And this is it. Simplify x squared times x cubed. Time starts. Time is up. The answer is x to the 5th. Next, simplify x cubed y all over xy squared. Let's start the time. Time is up, and the correct answer is x squared all over y. Next one. Simplify the quantity of p to the 3rd s to the 4th raised to 3. Let's start the time. Time is up, and the correct answer is p to the 9th s to the 12th. Next, quantity x to the 5th y all over x squared y to the negative 1 raised to 2. Let us start the time. And the time is up. The correct answer is x to the 6th, y to the 4th. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Once again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I appreciate your support. Remember, it is cool being wise. Have a nice day, everyone.